Hi, I'm George, the Weather Dad, and we're going to be talking about the last week of June and your 4th of July weekend. And it's going to be almost like a broken record in that there's not going to be much change when you start seeing Monday's weather, and that's going to take us all the way into next weekend. So first, let's talk about what's going to happen on your Monday. Notice the heat building up across most of the country, the eastern 2/3 of the country. This is going to put temperatures in the upper 80s and possibly into the 90s. Now, this is on Monday. I'm going to jump right to Wednesday. So you notice not much change here. We're going to go right on into now Friday. Again, not much change. We're going to see a few showers down in this area of the country. And that's why you see a little bit of cooler weather, but it's also going to be a lot more humid if those showers in fact pop up. So this is right on through all of next week. Let's take a look at your 4th of July. No change really here unless you're across around the Great Lakes. You see some cooler temperatures there thanks to some lake breezes there for you. But the rest of us, well, we're just going to be in a pretty good heat wave. That's 4th of July. By the Sunday, July 5th, no real change. The heat is sticking around. So what about precipitation? On Monday, it dries out across most of the country right here, especially in the Ohio Valley and Kentucky and Tennessee. Lots of rain, especially those of you in Kentucky. That rain will shift a little bit further south, but this is on your Monday. Notice what happens on Tuesday. It dries out. Now, what's also going to be happening here is that we have the heat now in place, but the humidity levels will start increasing each and every day, and that will give us a chance of an afternoon shower here or there. Nothing really to speak of, though. Here we go on Wednesday. Again, maybe a shower or two. If you get it, it's just going to increase the humidity. By Thursday, you see a little bit more moisture around, a few showers here or there. Again, nothing all that significant. Any real significant rain is going to be down around, looks like Arkansas, Mississippi, and even Texas. You may even see a few showers there. By Friday, again, a couple of showers here and there. Nothing, again, spectacular. If you get one again, that's just going to increase the humidity levels and make it feel all that more uncomfortable. And then here we are on the 4th of July itself. There's going to be a little bit more shower activity around, but again, nothing severe, and that's going to increase the humidity levels, make it even a little bit more uncomfortable for the 4th. On Sunday, a chance of a shower or two, but again, that's just because the humidity levels will be increasing throughout the week. So here's your bottom line. We're going to end the month of June in a real heat wave, and we're going to start the month of July continuing that heat wave with very little in the way of precipitation. I'm George, the Weather Dad.